A smut is a common lawn fungus known to form a black sooty substance. The fungus weakens the plant, causing discoloration and eventually death. Stripe smut, of the genera Urocystis and Ustilago, is among the more common varieties that will affect turf, creating large patches of discolored grass. In this video, we'll go over how to identify stripe smut, how to get rid of stripe smut on your property, and how to prevent stripe smut from growing back. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. When stripe smut affects grass, symptoms include yellowing stripes and discoloration on the blades. As the disease progresses, a black sooty substance will form. These are the spores. If any seed heads are developing, those may be covered in spores too. The longer a plant is afflicted with stripe smut, the more its leaves or blades will curl. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the weed's presence or find activity hotspots. Stripe smut symptoms show in cooler weather during spring and autumn when temperatures fall between 50 and 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Infected grasses die during summer, while the pathogens survive over winter. While most grasses are susceptible to this fungus, grasses such as bent grass, perennial ryegrass, fescues, and bluegrass are commonly infested. When looking for stripe smut, be on the lookout for patches on afflicted turf and examine grass closely for spots of black, moldy material. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. In order to treat stripe smut, we recommend you use a product like Patch Pro. Patch Pro is a propiconazole concentrate that will control many lawn diseases and fungi, including pathogens that cause stripe smut. Just mix and apply the product at the labeled rate of 1 to 2 fluid ounces, distributed evenly over 1,000 square feet. Mix your solution using at least 1 gallon of water per 1,000 square feet. For residential applications, we recommend you mix and apply with a handheld sprayer. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the grass blades are fully coated, and spray the grass to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. Apply after mowing or allow the sprayed area to completely dry before mowing. Also, delay any irrigation until after the sprayed area has dried. For the best results, make an application once in the fall after grass becomes dormant, or in the early spring before grass starts to grow. Prevention is essential to keeping lawn diseases in check. Even after applying fungicides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Once stripe smut symptoms are no longer visible, keep up with basic lawn care maintenance to improve your yard's health and minimize potential fungal activity. Be sure to mow your grass tall and irrigate your lawn properly. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. These encourage deeper root development, reduce drought stress, and deter excessive water retention. When smut develops, this can usually indicate a high nitrogen environment, so we recommend switching to a more balanced fertilizer that's more suited for your lawn's specific needs. If you're unaware of your soil's nutrient makeup, a balanced general fertilizer with slow release functionality may be used. Finally, keep up with regular applications of Patch Pro. Fungicides like Patch Pro are effective at preventing fungus and disease. This product has a 30-day residual, so we recommend preventative applications once a month. Just apply at the application rate of 1 fluid ounce of product over 1,000 square feet. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop fungi and lawn disease from taking over your grass, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.